Run it, run it. Get back, safety, safety, safety. Match up, what you got? Talk, 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 screen coming. Go, run, 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 look up. Safety. Match up, match up. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Get that, get that. Watch cutters. Oh. Run with him, run with him. Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. What are we running? Okay, let's go. Yep, yep, yep. Good job. Get back. D up, D up. Let's go. Get your checks. Shot. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Two, three, 2-3. Move it, move it. Go, 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 go. Middle flash, middle flash. Down. It's okay, slow down. Okay. Screen coming, screen coming. Hand up, hand up, hand up. Let's go, let's go. You think it's one? Subs, please. Go, go, run, run, run.
All you small. Finish, Logan. Finish. New number 7.
You can probably get king in a bit. Get back. Match up, match up. Know your personnel. Know your personnel. Double screen.
No, none more. Weston, get a body. Back, back, back.
Up, 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 up. Good job. Get back, get back.
Who's up?
Stop ball, stop ball. Good job, good job. Shot, shot, shot. Hand up, hand up. Leave it, leave it. Oh.
How was that blue? Screen's coming. Isaiah.
Good job, good job. Stay down, stay down. Get back, recover. Oh. Hand up, hand up, hand up. Hand up, hand up. Just a hand up. Good job, good job. Yep. Get back, get back. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Keep chill. No. 3 shooters. Yo. That's 23.
23 actually. Yeah. It's a nice font. You want to get king at 10 or 9?
12.
Okay.
It's 3 shooters. That's a 2-3 kid.
Get back, get back. 7. Safety, guys. Let's go. Good job.
Look at middle. There you go. Work those up. Good side, yeah.
Get back. 7's leaking. Up.
Good job, Preston.
Good job.
Outside, go get.
Who's got ball? Good shot. Earn it on D. Let's go. Earn it on D. Hand up, hand up, hand up. Go, go, run, run, run. Just for a breather, okay?
Safety shooter.
White, white, white.
Come on in. Safety shooter.
1-3-1.
Good shot.
Get back, get back. Hand up, hand up. Maybe Logan. Huh? Sorry? 6? Is that okay? I don't know. What do you think? 9. Okay. Go, 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 go! Go! Get back! Earn it on D! D up! D up! Oh! Pull up, pull up! Look up, look up! Good shot! Swing it, swing it! Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Middle, 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 middle. Good job, Bo. By yourself, by yourself. By yourself, stay down, stay down, stay down. Hand up, hand up. Really? We only have one per half. We only have one per half. Okay, time out on the next dead ball. Yeah, time please. Time. Oh. Okay, that's it. Yeah, Opa, Opa. Hey. You have the jersey number 8? Yeah, I do. Get back, get back. D up, D up. Oh, out. When do you want to go in? 7. It's not much of a rest.
I don't need a rest.
Okay, so take out Preston. Good job. Subs, please.
Preston.
So can you give you a breather, okay? You're working hard. We'll try to get you guys into the second half, okay? Just stretch and stuff like that, right? D up, D up. He's got 28.
Quiet in this gym.
What is... One shot, guys. Let's go, let's go. Look up. Move it, move it. Good job, good job. Good job. One shot, guys, one shot. Safety, safety, safety. Safety. Let's earn it. Talk on D. Yeah, he did. Talk on D, talk on D. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Let's go, guys, let's go. Look up, look up. D up, D up. Stay down, guys. Stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. Get up, get up. Press break, press break, press break. Press break, let's go. Preston, get Osa at 3.
At 3?
Yeah, he definitely needs a break. Move it, move it. Get back, get back. Earn it on D. Let's go.
Too quiet. No.
Talk, talk, talk. Let's talk, guys. Hand up. Oh, God. What's the call? You want to get Osa?
Osa.
You need a breather, bro. Breather, okay? You need a breather.
I'm good. I'm not tired.
I know, but there's still second half. We need to go hard in the second half.
We're not. We can't win like this.
Exactly. That's true.
You're playing 2-3. Oh yes. Playing 2-3 zone. And unless me and Preston are out there at the same time, we can't play.
I know.
Because they decided that they want to have 4 guys out there instead of 3 shooters. So I'm not even spacing out even.
Right now? No.
running.
Depends on what kind of defense it is.
No.
So
You have a clipper?
I don't.
You have a clipper?
No.
Tell you. Wing,
One shot, guys.
wing. It's supposed to be wing, top, wing.
That's how
Good shot. Get back on D. Get back. It's a time. Time out. coaching the 09s.
Oh,
Good job, good job. Hand up, hand up. Stay down. Man into 3.
we're in it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. All the way, all the way. Good job, bonus. Is that a bonus? Okay. Isaiah King, get back. Get back, get back, get back. Watch your corner. Leave it. Good job. Let's make these count. Make it count. Okay, D up, D up, D up, D up. D up. 45 seconds. Let's go. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. D up. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Be vocal, guys. Come on. Help each other out. Help each other. Stay down, stay down. Hand up, hand up. Hand up, shooter, hand up.
Hell no.
Oh gosh. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Bonus.
Eat it.
Let's go, let's go. Get up, get back, get back. No fouls. Stay down, stay down. Screen coming. Stay down, flash middle. Good job. Yeah, let's go. 5 seconds, let's go. Let's go, move it, move it, move it, move it. Move it.
4, 3, 2.
Good job, good job. Talk it out, talk it out.
D up.
D up, D up, D up, D up. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. Focus on executing, guys. Watch far corner, King. Hand up, hand up. Good job, good job. Let's go.
Watch corner.
Oh, oh, oh. One shot, White. One shot. Box out. Press break, press break, press break. Let's go. Move it up, move it up. Shoot it. Oh. Good board, good board. Whatever the best for game management is, though. You know, we have to manage the game properly. Hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up. No, no. Good job. Look up, look up, look up. Get back, get back, get back.
Watch out, watch out.
Shot.
Hand up.
C cut, C cut. Attack the middle. Attack the middle. Swing it. You got it, you got it, you got it. Get back. Get it on D. Let's go. 26. 69. Oh, shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Make him work, make him work. Let's go, let's go. D up, D up. D up, D up. Corner, 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 corner.
I have no idea.
No, let's go. Push it, push it, push it. Look up, look up, look up. Finish. Let's go, D up. Earn it on D, let's go. Who cares? Get back. 69. Let's go. Be vocal. What's happening? Too quiet, guys. Shot. Go, go, run, run, run with him.
Turn him in! What?
One shot, guys, one shot.
Coming?
One shot. Oh, subs.
Step up, go! Come on! Get the board!
Look up, look up, look up. Finish it, KB. Get back, get back, get back. Use the baseline, use the baseline. No middle, no middle, no middle. Good job, good job.
There he goes.
White ball, let's go.
Let's go, let's move the defense. Let's run through it. Don't make that pass. Don't make that pass. Pass phase. On CBS. They're in there. Good pass.
Get back, get back, get back, get back.
Watch out. On CBS. Continuous ball. We're running it in practice. Let's go. CBS.
Get back, guys, get back.
Offense. Run the offense.
Regular, regular. King. KB. Let's go, let's go. Logan.
Talk on defense. Let's go.
7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
People, dog. You are not hard.
That's okay. Don't mind it. Don't even notice them. Let's go.
Board it.
Get back, get back. D up, get back. Let's go. D up, D up. Execute.
Yo, for Isaiah.
No, KB. KB, go. Sorry, man.
We're supposed to do that shit. We need to run CBS.
Yeah.
We need to run CBS.
Run regular, guys. We call it regular so they won't know what it is. But
I'm the smallest guy in the team. You guys know me. I'm the smallest.
stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. No middle, guys, remember. No middle, it's a baseline, baseline. Baseline. Let's go. D up, D up. Let's go. Move it, Isaiah, move it. How many more fouls? Okay. Set it up, set it up.
Run it.
Okay, get back, get back, get back, get back.
Regular.
D up. Talk on D, guys, let's go. No middle, no middle. 28. Yeah.
It's not supposed to be 3 or 2 years. These two guys are the corner, right?
Right, 3-2. Let's go, let's go.
I messed up.
Who are you gonna go in for? Stop ball, stop ball. Middle, 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 middle. Hand up, hand up. Let's go, let's go. Look up. You want time? Time. Time out, please.
Nobody's.
You can't play regular if you reject the screen every fucking play. That's dumb.
Let's go, guys, let's go. Get back, earn it on D.
Yeah, you're lucky, right? They do keep rejecting the screen, but it's just. And on defense.
No middle, no middle.
It's not about the offense, bro. It's just the defense. There's like.
This is 2-3.
No middle, screen coming. Protect the middle. Shot. Run with him, run with him. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Earn it on D, guys. Hand up, hand up.
Good. What's up? Good. Get there.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, oh. No, no, no.
Push that thing. One more. Good.
Get back. Let's go, D up, D up. Let's go. Look up. Hand up, guys, let's go.
Oh, corner. Oh, watch corner.
He got the rebound.
Talk, guys, talk on deep. Let's go, let's go. Let's get open. Get open.
And these guys keep aiming. Fully out.
White ball. Let's go. Let's go, White.
Maybe I'm soft.
White.
You should just go 5 out.
I don't know why they're trying to run regular with.
Oh!
That's it! Corner!
Move it.
Oh my god.
Guys, what are we running? Let's run it, please. Let's go. Run the offense. Let's go.
Not even a clip on where I can.
Set him one.
Look, bro! This guy's looking out
Get back. Get back. Let's go.
Bro, those subs running the floor.
Let's go, guys. Let's run it. What are we running? Call the play. Call it.
Watch the guy creeping. Ethan, come on! Cut through, Ethan. He's not even running the ball.
Someone just doesn't say no. Good shot, Kickster.
Get back. Get back. Let's go. Go up. Good job. D up. Let's go. Earn it on D. Let's go.
Finish faster.
By yourself. By yourself.
Oh my.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look up. Look up. Look up. How many fouls is that? Team. Okay. Keep attacking, guys. Let's go. Middle. Let's go. Let's go. Look up, get back. Timeout. Oh, did we already call a timeout? Oh shit, okay, my bad. Let's go, guys. Run the play, run it. Shooting, guys, White. Whoever's the team bench. What are we running, guys?
Reset!
Pull it. Nope. Good job. Okay. Good job. D up, guys. Talk on D.
Yo, talk!
By yourself, Ethan. By yourself. Right.
D up.
D up. D up. D up.
D up.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
You're good, you're good.
Let's go, let's go. Run the offense. What are we running?
Coach, can I tell this question?
Yep. Actually, for Logan. Logan.
Something for Logan?
Yeah.
Preston feels stressed.
Logan hasn't been trying to contest any of the transition buckets.
Yeah, but Preston's not even playing defense in the first place.
He's getting us buckets. What do you think? Sub out whoever you want then. Make a decision. Subs,
Yo,
please.
time.
Whoever you think is best. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you. Let's save it for next game. We're good out there. Is it called after a 20-point lead? After, you know, is there any sort of like that? Okay. Good job. Look. Let's run it. Let's run it.
That wall was open almost every time.
Let's go, guys. Get back. Get back. D up. D up. No middle. No middle. Who's got ball? Who's got ball? Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get back, guys, get back. Safety, let's go. Whose man is that? Let's run a play, guys, come on. Yep.
After this, you find an open hallway and run through it.
Oh yeah, we have to.
Running the downs.
I know.
Please, let's keep him.
Ethan's our fucking point guard. He needs to call that.
No middle, guys, no middle.
Nobody's taking responsibility. Like,
Screen coming.
I can't believe that.
Shot, shot. Let's go, White, let's go. Screen coming, right. Let's run something, let's go. Make it count. Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go, run this one shot, let's go, one shot. One shot.